In this video, we are going to solve a problem on molecular orbital theory. Question is, correct combination for pi and pi star orbitals in B2 molecule is. They are given 4 options: gerate for pi and gerate for pi star, and gerate for pi, gerate for pi star, for both gerate, for both and gerate. In order to solve this problem, you should have some idea about the structure of bonding and anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Here I go for pi molecular orbital. Since they have asked for pi orbital, I go for that. Say this is px orbital of one atom, this is px of orbital of another atom. These two px orbitals combine to give molecular orbitals. So here we have plus, minus, here also plus and minus. So plus combine, similarly minus combine. This is internuclear axis. What about anti-bonding? I go for the same px orbitals, here plus and here plus, minus, minus. Now this results in pi anti-bonding orbital. Here we have plus and minus here. If you go for this, there is no inversion center. Here we have plus, but here I have minus. Because of that, it is ungerate. On the other hand, if you go for this, I have plus, plus, so I have inversion center. Similarly, like this. Because of that, it has gerate. So pi anti-bonding is gerate, pi bonding is ungerate. When you go for sigma orbitals, sigma molecular orbitals, that will be something different. Consider this is s orbital. They combine to give sigma bonding orbital like this. Similarly, you can go for pz also. Say we have two orbitals like this. This is pz, this is also pz. The molecular orbitals, whatever we get, will be like this. Say this is plus, minus, we get plus, minus here. So this sigma, this also sigma bonding. In both cases, you can find inversion center. Because of that, it is gerate. If you go for sigma anti-bonding, then the anti-bonding structure will be like this. One plus, another one minus. Similarly, when you go for the other one, it will be like this. So there is no inversion center. Here I have minus, but here I have plus. So there is no inversion center in this as well as in this. So it is ungerate. Simply, you can remember all sigma bonding gerate, all sigma anti-bonding ungerate. For pi, it is just reverse. Pi is ungerate, pi anti-bonding gerate. So you can try to remember this. I have explained why we get this G and U for different molecular orbitals. Now we can go for the given options. Pi orbital is ungerade. So I have ungerade here, but pi star it is gerade, not this one. So the answer is